Good morning, class. It is question number 24 of exercise 26C. There are three coins. One is two-headed coin having head on both faces. Another is a biased coin, means possibility of getting head or tail are not equal. That comes up 75% chances of getting head. And third is unbiased coin, means fair coin. One of the three coin is chosen at random and tossed. It shows head. What is the possibility? What is the probability that it was two-headed coin? Let E1 be the event selecting a two-headed coin. E2 is the event that selecting a biased coin. And E3 with the event of getting a unbiased coin. Event of selecting unbiased coin. Means even is the event that a two-headed coin is selected, E2 event that a biased coin is selected, and E3 event that an unbiased coin is selected, and E by the event that the selected coin shows head. Selected coin when toss shows head. Now what we have to find? If the selected coin shows head, what is the probability that it was two-headed coin? Means if the selected coin shows head is given, probability that the selected coin shows head means E is given, and we have to find that the probability that it was two-headed coin, means it was E1. The selected coin shows head, and we have to find that it was a two-headed coin. If we have to find it was a biased coin, then we have to calculate probability of E2 by E. If we have to find an unbiased coin, means E3 by E. Then from biased theorem we have probability of E1 into E by E1. No, probability of even. Even is the probability that selecting a two-headed coin from three coins, means we have probability of even is 1 by 3, Similarly, for probability of A2, selecting a biased coin from the 3 coin, 1 by 3, and for E3 we also have 1 by 3. E by E1. What is E by E1? Means the coin we have selected is a two-headed coin. Means E1 is given that the two-headed coin is selected and a two-headed coin shows head is event that the selected coin shows head. Means we have to find the probability that the coin shows head and the coin which is selected is two-headed. Since the coin is two-headed, then sample space is 2 and favorable event means we have to find head on both sides, then it is also 2 by 2, 1. Two-headed coin means both faces shows head. Probability of E by E2. E by E2 means a biased coin is selected. E2 means a biased coin is selected, it is given, and we have to find that the probability that a biased coin shows head. A biased coin shows head. Another is a biased coin that comes up 75% chances of getting head. Then a biased coin shows head means it is equal 75 by 100 means 3 by 4. Probability of E by E3, it means an unbiased coin. E by E3, unbiased coin is selected and it shows head. Unbiased coin means fair coin getting a head or tail are equal chances, then probability of E by E3 is 1 by 2. Put this value in the given equation, we get probability of E1 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into 1 plus 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. 1 by 3 common cancel, we have 1 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 4 plus 3 plus 2, then it is the answer 4 by 9.